The Belitsa region and the Rila National Park are situated in the southwesternmost part of Bulgaria. This is one of the largest and most valuable protected areas in Europe. It offers a wide range of environmentally friendly outdoor activities in healthy surroundings and presents its visitors with a touching and satisfying experience of nature.
Тук ми харесва толкова, защото природата е толкова девствена и божествена, а водата толкова чиста, че мога да пия от нея.
A broad range of measures are taken towards the development of sustainable tourism.
С младите хора ние работим по специални програми, като се организираме пешеходни преходи по екопътеките, опитваме се да направим така, че те да научат повече за околната среда, за флората и фауната.
For the local inhabitants, the mountain area is an important natural resource. One in every two collects medical plants, mushrooms and wild fruits.
Всяка една билка си носи своето хранително свойство. Например, това белия равнец, той е много полезен за сърцето, а жълтия кантарион, той също е много полезен за стомаха.
The center of the region is the town of Belitsa. It played an important role in the history of the country. 2,500 years ago, in the time of the Thracians, the region was the homestead of a highly developed civilization. The gift of this long history is a rich cultural heritage, like healthy and tasty specialities, and an individual tradition of handicraft, which is still practiced today. Unique traditional music is also still played, and historical dresses are proudly worn by young and old. Belitsa is famous for the purity of its nature and its rich cultural heritage, but most of all, there are the friendly local people who invite visitors to enjoy the beauty and hospitality of their homeland.